your full name.
Hi, Julie Goldberg.
Julie, how long have you been designing with me?
This is my 6th day.
6th day. She did a masterpiece. I'm going to get a close-up. How difficult was this to do?
Not too difficult once I learned the techniques. To put it
And
together.
what is the name of your business?
The Glass Vase Floral Design.
The Glass Vase. Where are you located, Julie?
In Deerfield.
Deerfield, Illinois. That is so pretty. It's big and it's gorgeous.
You work with so many beautiful flowers, and
Yes.
you're able to put something beautiful together with
With ease.
Yeah.
This girl was a star this week. She's been with me a week. She did beautiful home runs, left and right. That is a big bouquet. Hold it at your waist. Let's see how big. Yep. Yeah, they want them big, these girls. That's about the size. I see in a lot of photos and magazines. Once again, what's the name of your business?
The Glass Vase.
The Glass Vase in
Deerfield,
Illinois. This is Michael Gaffney. Flowerschool101.com telling you to keep blooming like Julie here.